Chuck Samples on Kvoe social media. This is right now near Walnut Elementary School as I'm recording this, right around noon, and it's wet here in town. It is not as we look further across the Kvoe listening area. As a matter of fact, we do have icing that's taking place along and across really all highways, state and federal, at this particular point in time. And we do have one injury crash that's been reported right around noon. That was over on Kansas Turnpike mile marker 118 involving a semi. And the way it appears right now is conditions are starting to get really slick on the highways. Elevated surfaces immediately, and then highways in general terms here really for the next several hours. We still have a lot of icing to come. We do have Can Drive reporting right now seasonal to partly covered conditions at this point in time, although completely covered icing conditions are in place in south central Kansas in a couple of spots already. So please keep that in mind. Authorities have already been saying since yesterday that driving is not at all encouraged unless it's for absolute urgent/emergent situations here for the weekend. That reflects the quarter to half inch of ice we're still expecting through tonight, the winter mix of precipitation on top of that, and then anywhere from 4 to 6 maybe more inches of snowfall south to north area wide on top of that, with tomorrow's added feature 40 to 45 mile an hour wind gusts. It's going to be rather rough across the Kvoe listening area travel wise, specifically through the weekend into early next week. Biting cold to follow. We have all the updates on Kvoe, kvoe.com, and Kvoe social media. If you've already been tracking what we have on social media, you'll see we've been doing an awful lot of schedule adjustments here throughout the course of yesterday and this morning. That trend will continue all the way through the upcoming weekend into early next week. We have a separate page on warming center locations on kvoe.com, so be sure to stay with us. We'll keep you updated throughout the course of the weekend here at kvoe.com, Kvoe on air, and Kvoe social media.